we're here with the Polestar 3. Polestar. One of the things about the Polestar is how do you get the car to lock and unlock so you can get in or out of the vehicle. If you're outside the vehicle and you go up to it, you have the key in your hand, and it's not a regular key. You just can't open it up. It doesn't have perimeter stuff. You have to take the key and put it by the door. Now, for some reason, this one is very funky. It only likes this door, but maybe that's just how I have it set. And then you can get in. Now, the other thing is there is no key or ignition inside the vehicle. Because this is sensed inside the vehicle has turned on. And you just place this key fob in the center console in a special place, and it knows that this key belongs to this car, and you can then engage the gear shift into reverse or into drive. Interestingly enough, this is the key that you use, these two items here, for the vehicle. So what it likes to do is if I want to try to drive it right now, if I want to put it in reverse, it would tell me key not found, valid key required to start. So let's go ahead and put the key back in here. There it is. The key is found.